He asked, "Do you understand all the words in this paragraph?" I told him I still didn't understand debacle. Do you know what is wrong with these two sentences? If you said they need quotation marks, you would be correct. He asked, "Do you understand all the words in this paragraph?" I told him I still didn't understand debacle. Not sure how to use quotation marks? Let's fix that. First, what is a quotation mark? These are the double apostrophes or inverted commas you see surrounding a word, phrase, or sentence. Wait, you say, what about the single quote, apostrophe, or inverted comma? Aren't those contemporary quotation marks? Not quite. We'll get to that. First, let's discuss when to use quotation marks. Use them whenever you are quoting someone. Albert Einstein once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." Use quotation marks when referring to a short written work by its title. Of Mice and Men is one of my favorite short stories. Use quotation marks when calling attention to or placing emphasis on a specific word or phrase. For example, I have trouble spelling definitely. Are you sure effect should be used in this sentence? Use them when you are writing dialogue. I will be at the park by 4 p.m., John told Lisa. The dialogue is the portion enclosed by the quotation mark. The dialogue tag, the phrase indicating that the quote is dialogue, is separated from the quotation by a comma. This comma is enclosed in the quotation marks. If the dialogue tag precedes the dialogue, the comma appears outside the quotation marks. John told Lisa, "I will be at the park by 4 p.m. Notice also that the first word in the quotation is capitalized. The period indicating the end of the dialogue also appears within the quotation marks. Colons and semicolons are never placed inside quotation marks. Fully a third of the railroad passengers were what trainmen called deadheads, people who ride on passes and never tip. Question marks and exclamation points only appear inside the quotation marks if they apply to the quote itself. My mom asked, "Why do you want that sweater?" What did the professor mean when he said debacle? Although you often see single quotation marks, also known as apostrophes or inverted commas, being used, this is a lazy convention rather than an acceptable use. After all, you do not need to press the Shift key to type an apostrophe. Use single quotes only when a quote appears within a quote. For example, Mary said, "I'll always remember what my dad told me. Never lose sight of who you are. I never have." Notice how there are single quotes around what Mary's father said, but double quotes around what Mary had said. This is because Mary's father's quote is within Mary's direct quote. You now know how to use quotations properly, and you can quote me on that. For more information, please visit protean.learnworlds.com. The Writing Fundamentals course provides a review of punctuation. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and check out our other videos. I'm Nina Delella. Thanks for watching.